Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain that how to unlock HR schema and then how to connect with Oracle database. So first of all, you have to open your browser and in my case, I am using Google Chrome. You can use any other Chrome for downloading SQL developer. So here you have to type SQL developer downloads, and after it you will click your enter key, and after it you can see some options for downloading. And here this is first option, that is Oracle, www.oracle.com. This is official website of Oracle, and you will click this first option, SQL developer downloads. And after clicking on this link, here you can see further two options. Second is for Windows 32 bits. If you are using Windows 32, then you will choose second link. But I am using 64-bit Windows, so I will choose this first option. And here you can see downloading option, and I will click here. After it, you will be demanded to click here to accept license agreement, and after it you have to click this option, this button, that is download SQL developer. And now you can see that this is downloading. And if you are first time in this www.oracle.com, then you will be demanded to sign in. So to sign in Oracle database, you will create a new account and then you will sign in, and after it you will able to download this file. In my case, I have already an account in Oracle database and I am also signed in this official website, so my downloading has been started. This you can see, this is file that has a size of 437 MB. Now you can see that this is a WinRAR. If you have no installed WinRAR, then you will install WinRAR first of all, and then you will extract files. And here I will choose extract files option. You can also choose this extract here, but I will choose extract files option, and then I will press OK button. And after it you can see that here is a folder which contains extracted files, and you will replace it into C drive. So I am moving it into a C drive, and after it I have opened program files, and then I pasted this folder into program files. Now I will open it, and here you can see SQL developer, and you will open this folder, and here you can see SQL developer file. Now you can open this SQL developer file here, but you have to use it multiple times. So you should create a shortcut at your desktop. So I will go into send option, send to option, and then you will select desktop and create shortcut. And after it you will go back to your desktop, and here you can see that this is shortcut of SQL developer. You will open this after few moments. Here you can see that this is an interface of HR schema, and here you will create a new connection. So this is plus button for creating a new connection with your Oracle database, and here you will press this option, and after it you will see this window. And now you have to fill all these input fields, like this is our name input field. So here you can type any name according to your desire. So I will type here my database. This is name for your workspace, and after, or sorry, for your schema. And after it, you will type here your username and password. And I have told you when we were installing our Oracle database 21C Express Edition that these names are provided by default, and these names are as sorry sys system and pdb admin, and these names will be used for username. And after it, we have filled this input field by password, and after it we have confirmed it. And now we will use this username like sys or system and this password in our schema database to create a new connection. Now we will go back to our schema, and here we will type our username, that is system, and after it you will type here your password. And after it you have to test that our connection is successful or not. So here I will press this test button, and now you can see after a few moments that this is response of success. Now you will press save button, and then you will press this connect button, and now you will provide here your password again for username system. And typing here my password, and you will use your own password and then press ok. Now you can see that our connection has established, and then you can see this is our connection, my database. And this is our interface of our schema, and here we will type our queries. And in left side you can see my database, that is our connection, and we have some by default tables in this my database. If I expand these tables, you can see some tables by default, but we have to create our own table. So we will go back into my database connection, and here we have to create a new table in database. So here I will type a query create for creating a table. So this is our query, create table, and after it you will choose a name for your table, and I will choose or select name student. This is our table name that we are going to create in our database. And after it we have to create some columns in our table. So here I will use pair of parentheses, and this is our first starting parenthesis, and then we have to define a name for a first column, and I will use name as id, I mean student id, and then I have to define its type, and that is number, and then I will define its size, and I am defining size 5. And then we have to create another column in our table. So other column is as name. You can use any name, but I am using as name, I mean student name. And now I will define type of this s name, and that is varchar, and then I will define its size. And then I will use second, I mean closing parenthesis, and after this I will use a semicolon. But if you want to create multiple columns in your table, you can use here after varchar 10, you will use comma, and then you will define another name for a column like age, date of birth, and any other kind of column you can create. And then you will define size of your column, and sorry, type of your column, and then you will define size of your column. And this way you can create multiple columns in your table. So I will run this query, and here you can see table student created. I will expand its size, sorry, increase its size, and this is our output, table student created. Now I will put some values in this table. For this I will use another query, and that is insert into. And then you will use name of your table that you have created in your database. And in my case, the name of table is student, so I will define here student. So insert into student table, and now I have to insert values. So here I will define values word, and then I will use parentheses. And here first of all I have to put value, and this is number 123 for SID column. And after it I will define name, sorry, I have to define name in commas. So I used comma and then LE and then a second comma, and after it I will use closing parenthesis and semicolon. Now I will select this query, and then I will press run button, and now you can see output that one row inserted. Now we have successfully inserted our data into our table, and our table is student. Now we have to see that what is in our table, what is information saved in our table. For this purpose we have to run another query, and that is select. And after it I will use asterisk sign. It's mean that select all information saved in our student table. And after it I will use word from. Select all from, and then name of our table. So here I will type from, and after it I will use name of table, and our table is student, and then semicolon. Now I will select this query and then press run button, and here you can see column SID and value or information saved in SID 123. After it you can see this is our second column as name, and information saved in as name is Ali. So this was our today's video. In this video I tried to explain that how to unlock HR schema and then how to connect with Oracle database. I hope this video will be very useful and understandable for you. If you like this video, please share with your friend and subscribe our YouTube channel.